front of me a 50 watt outdoor LED floodlight. It's available with low cost small parcel delivery directly from freetv.ie. So this is the box it comes in. It's actually surprisingly thin. The housing on it here is metal. It's from a European supplier we use for an awful lot of this type of equipment. If we just look here, we have full 180-degree rotation on the bracket on the back, so we can point it in almost any direction. And what we have here then is we have our cob lights here, okay, so you can see the bank them across. A 50 watt is probably equivalent of about 400 watt traditionally. It's given about an 80% energy saving on it. The life on this is about 15,000 hours of continuous use, and the cycles on off probably about 4,000 or 5,000 cycles overall. When we actually come to wire it up here, what we have here is we have a little locking mechanism here that'll just come along and seal around the cable, but we've 4 small Phillips screws here. It just allows us to take off the back, wire it directly in. So overall we'll say this is a nice product. We have these in whole range here. I think the smallest floodlight we have starts at about 10 watts and the largest possibly is about 200 watts or so. The alternative you can have to the standard ones here is you've got a light sensor on them as well. Probably the non-standard ones is probably slightly more popular without the sensor. But overall we'll say this is just a good product. We just don't really have many fails on these, and that's why we made a decision to stick with European suppliers to just have their quality control in good order.